To install Windows 11, you will need to follow these steps. Check if your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Microsoft has released a list of requirements that must be met to install Windows 11. You can find this list on Microsoft's website. Backup your important files and data. Installing a new operating system can potentially result in the loss of data. So, it is always a good idea to back up your important files and data before proceeding with the installation process. Download the Windows 11 installation media. You can download the installation media from Microsoft's website. Create a bootable USB drive or DVD with the Windows 11 installation media. Insert the USB drive or DVD into your computer and restart it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 11. Make sure you select the correct language, time zone, and keyboard layout during the installation process. Activate your copy of Windows 11. You will need to enter your product key to activate Windows 11. If you don't have a product key, you can buy one from Microsoft. Finally, install the necessary drivers and software for your computer. Note the steps to install Windows 11 can vary depending on the specific computer hardware and configuration. It is always recommended to consult the manufacturer's instructions for detailed installation steps.